Welcome to Lockdown Classes. This is the exercise 4.1 from class 10th. Before starting this exercise, I would like to tell you something about a standard form of quadratic equation. What is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल पढ़ी थी, उसका भी जनरल फॉर्म यही था एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, बट इक्वल टू एफ एक्स था. वो इक्वल टू या अगर किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल के इक्वल टू अगर जीरो हो जाता है तो वो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं, फिर वो इक्वेशन हो जाती है. Here a b c belongs to the real number and a does not equal to 0. Why a does not equal to 0? If a is equal to 0, then this term will be deducted and disappear. So only the terms is bx plus c, then it will become a linear polynomial, linear equation. That's why a does not equal to 0. Now proceed the exercise 4.1. The question number first, the first part. The first part is check whether the following are quadratic equation. क्या ये जो दिया हुआ है ये सब quadratic equations हैं या नहीं है? तो let's check. So x plus 1 का whole square, it means a plus b का whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here 2 into x into 2 into 3. So this is x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. 2x से 2x cancel out. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 6. ठीक है. So you have to transpose plus 1, so it will become as minus 6 minus 1. So x square is equal to minus 7, or you can say that x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Clear है? So this is a quadratic equation. Now question number second. What is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 and 3 minus x. Again same thing, LHS is solved. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus x plus 2x. Clear है? Transpose each and everything to left hand side. So x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Clear है? So this is a quadratic equation. Now the third part. What is x minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 and x plus 3. So x into x square, x into 1 x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, then x into x square, x into 3 3x, minus 1 into x minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So x square cancel out. X minus 2x, this is minus x minus 2. 3x minus 2x, 2x minus 3. Now you have to transpose LHS form from LHS to RHS. So 2x plus x minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then it will become as 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. तो क्या ये quadratic equation है? No. Because there is a no term of x square type. So remaining questions are same. Now we have to proceed the question number 2. Now question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Solve नहीं करना है, सिर्फ quadratic equation बनानी है. The area of a rectangular plot is 5 to 8 meters square and the length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. 1 meter more than twice its breadth. It means let the breadth of the plot, of the rectangular plot, is x meter. So the length of the rectangular plot is one more than twice its breadth. Breadth is x, it means twice, उससे भी एक ज़्यादा. So this is 2x plus 1 meter. Clear है? So this is your length, this is your breadth. We need to find, क्वेश्चन बनानी है. Area is 5 to 8 according to question. According to question, area of a rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth, and this is given as 5 to 8, and the length is 2x plus 1 and the breadth is x, and this is 5 to 8. So you have to solve 2x into x, this is 2x square plus x is 5 to 8. Clear है? So 2x square plus x minus 5 to 8 is equal to 0. That's it. No need to solve this question. This need to solve to find length and breadth. Now move on to the second. Now question number 2 का second part. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. We need to find the integer. So how? Let the two consecutive integers are consecutive मतलब एक के बाद एक. So first one is x, so another one is x plus 1. The product of two consecutive integers according to question, it means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Clear है? So x into x, x square, x into 1, x, this is 306. So x square plus x minus 306. Khatam. Clear? No need to solve this equation. Okay? Now move question number second, the third part. Question number second, the third part. Rohan's mother is 26 year older than him. रोहन की जो माँ है वो रोहन से 26 years older है, यानी 26 साल ज़्यादा बड़ी है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर एजेस मतलब किसकी एजेस, रोहन और उसकी माँ की एज का प्रोडक्ट कब 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आज से 3 साल बाद, वो क्या है 360 है. व्हाट इज 360? वी वुड लाइक टू फाइंड रोहन्स एज. सो हमें सिर्फ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाने में फाइंड वाइंड कुछ नहीं करना. फाइंड करने के लिए अदर एक्सरसाइज में बोला जाएगा. अभी सिर्फ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनानी है. सो लेट द रोहन्स present age is x years. So what about mother? Rohan's mother present age is x plus 26. Clear है? After 3 years from now, अब से 3 साल बाद, रोहन एज is x plus 3 and Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 थी, 3 years बढ़ गई, it means x plus 29. अभी उसने बोला था कि क्या इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या है, 360 है. So according to question, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 29 is equal to 360. X into x, x square, 3 into x, this is 3x, 29 into x, 29x, 29 into 3, 87, and this is 360. So this is x square plus 32x, and this is 360 minus 87. So x square plus 32x, and this is 273 whatever 60 273. तो हमें एट लास्ट क्या मिल जाएगा, हमें मिल जाएगा, इधर देख लीजिए, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 32x माइनस 273 इज इक्वल टू 0. क्लियर है? तो ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का थर्ड. नाउ मूव ऑन द लास्ट पार्ट. नाउ सेकंड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. अ ट्रेन travels a distance of 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. Speed is missing. If the speed had been 8 kilometer less. अगर क्या हो, स्पीड क्या हो, जो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड है उससे 8 किलोमीटर कम हो जाए, घटा दी जाए, देन इट वुड हैव टेकन 3 hours मोर टू कवर द सेम डिस्टेंस. तो उसी ट्रेन को 3 hours ज़्यादा लगते हैं उतनी ही डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. सो वी हैव टू डू इट. So this is 480 kilometer, and this is the point A and this is the point B, and train starts from here. This is U, kilometer per hour. ठीक है, this is U, kilometer per hour. So let the uniform speed of the train is U, kilometer per hour. ठीक है, let the uniform speed of the train is U, kilometer per hour. So the time taken by the train is, आपने एक फॉर्मूला पढ़ा होगा, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. सो व्हाट अबाउट द टाइम? टाइम इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. क्लियर? सो डिस्टेंस अपॉन speed, distance is 480 and speed is u. So time taken is 480 by u hours. Clear है? Now speed had been reduced by 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर से रिड्यूस कर दी गई. सो द speed of the train is u minus 8 kilometer per hour. The time taken by the train is 480 upon u minus 8 hours. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है कि जब 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड लेस कर दी जाती है तो 3 hours ज़्यादा लगते हैं. कोई दिक्कत नहीं। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 480 अपॉन u माइनस 8 स्पीड थी, तो 3 आवर्स ज़्यादा लग रहे थे। तो 3 आवर्स ज़्यादा लग रहे थे किससे ज़्यादा लग रहे थे? जब 480 बाई यू थी तो प्लस 3 यहाँ करेंगे, ना कि यहाँ। ये कन्फ्यूज़न दूर रख लीजिए। अगर इसमें आप 3 ऐड कर देंगे तो उल्टी कहानी बन जाएगी। तो 3 आवर्स मोर नहीं, 3 आवर्स कम लगने लग रहे थे टाइम। क्लियर है? So this is 480 upon u minus 8 minus 480 upon u is equal to 3. LCM ले लीजिए। So this is u minus 8 and is equal to 3, and this is 480u minus 480u minus 8. So at the last 480u minus 480u minus minus plus 480 into 8 upon this is u square minus 8u is equal to 3. ठीक है? So now there is 480u minus 480u cancel out. 480 into 8 480 into 8 is equal to 3 times of u square minus 2u minus 8u, sorry, minus 8u. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 160. So 160 into 8 is equal to u square minus 8u. 800, 8 6 ja 48, 4 8 1 ja 8, 8 4. So this is u square minus 8u. This is u square minus 8u minus 1280 is equal to 0. Final. So this is the last question of this exercise 4.1. Thank you so much.